Hello everybody and welcome back to the Tesla studio. Today we're gonna make a different type of video because today I want to ask for your opinion. So we are done with the interior mods, at least for now, and I fear that my Tesla doesn't have something to distinguish itself at the exterior. So my plan for the next months is to do some exterior mods that will improve the look of my Tesla and will make it unique. So without further ado, let's start the video and let's see which are my plans for the Tesla and how you can contribute to influencing these plans. Alright, so as I said, we'll start with the exterior mods for the Tesla. So we're gonna start in front and then go all the way to the back of the car. I'm gonna share my plans, the options, and I really need your input to see which is the best choice, what do you think about it, and yeah, which is the best choice in terms of design, usability, practicability, and so on and so forth. So let's start with the front. Alright, let's start with the front of the car. So first of all, I'm gonna put a body kit, and I choose Maxton design for my body kit. So the body kit is gonna be in front, on the sides, and in the back as well. The color will be glossy black for sure. So that's what I chose. And I have a question before putting the spoiler. So I saw some options and some pictures online where some Tesla users painted this side in black, of course, the other side as well in glossy black, and also from here all the way till here in glossy black. So they wrapped, they either painted or wrapped this whole part. So the part below and these two sides, they wrap them in black, so it fits better with the spoiler and it gives more of an aggressive look. Let me know what you think. Let me know if it's something that you think it's suitable for a white Tesla. I believe honestly that it's quite good, but I'm really looking forward to hear your comments. And I'm going to share now two pictures on the screen. First one is with the splitter, the V3 splitter. This is a splitter that I'm inclining to, so it has some small details on the side which makes it unique, and also in the front I really like the look. It's super aggressive, and we also have the V2 splitter, which doesn't have the same details, but yeah, it's, let's say, it's less aggressive for the car. So I'm not really sure what splitter should I choose, and let me know in the comments if it works with these black parts, so the left, right, and the center part wrapped in black. I believe that it's a good fit. So it's gonna be glossy black all over. My body kit is gonna be glossy black all over, just to make it clear. And I might also change this, because this is matte black, and this is actually the original emblem, which has been painted in matte black. It's not a wrap or something. So if I'm gonna do here glossy and the spoiler is gonna be glossy black, I believe that this one should be glossy black too. Let me know in the comments what you think and which is your favorite option between Maxton V2 and V3 spoiler. And yeah, I'm really looking forward to your opinion. Also in the front side, I might install some covers. So I saw online some covers, also in glossy black, some covers for the fog lights. And if this is gonna be glossy black, I think the covers will work quite well. I will put a picture here so you can understand what I'm talking about. And yeah, let me know if you think it's a good fit. All right, going further, we have the windshield. I've seen in the Netherlands some users having blue tint on the windshield. This is something that it's like a wrap that it's applicable on the interior of the windshield, and yeah, it gives First of all, it gives a fresh look to the car, and secondly, it also has a protector role, so it protects you from the UV lights from the exterior. I'm gonna put some pictures and let me know yeah, what you think. First of all, I will check if this is legal in the Netherlands before doing so, like before mounting it. But let me know if the blue color works with the overall white, or do you think another color would be suitable, like green or something. I think the blue is the best, but I would also like a light blue towards purple. I don't want a very intense blue because, well, it seems a bit too kitschy if it's intense. Moving on to the side, well, we have Maxton V2 side splitters. Well, that's already decided. I really like them. I will add a picture here so you can see. And I for sure will get rid of the mud flaps, because of course you cannot mount the side splitters with the mud flaps. And honestly, it looks way better without the flaps. Also, looking a bit at the window tint. Now we have the factory tint. So what do you think? Should I put a darker tint on these ones? It's not about the sun, because to be honest, we do not have too much sun in the Netherlands, but I'm more concerned about the look. And I was also thinking to paint or to wrap all of this, like the pillar, all this pillar all the way to the back in glossy black. So the look will be more or less, you know, complete with the glossy black part on top wrapped. Of course, the tint, which is like the factory tint for the sunroof, and these windows. So let me know what you think. Do you think like a bi-color setup would work for the Tesla? Do you think it's too much of a glossy black? I'm not sure. So I'm still not sure if I want to do this part. I'm not sure if I want to do it glossy black. I'm gonna think about it, because it might be too dark, to be honest. But yeah, I'm curious about your opinions as well. So the side skirts are done, and again, the tint, for sure, if I'm gonna choose a tint, first I'm gonna see what's legal in the Netherlands, and secondly, I think I'm gonna do like on the same percentage of tint. I don't like to have the back part too dark and the front one lighter or not dark at all. I think it's yeah, it's not, it doesn't look good. Now for the wheels, well, as you know, I have these wheel caps. So these are some matte black wheel caps. These are plastic, and I think they look quite well on the car. I'm not sure how they will look like after I put the body kit. Maybe they will be a bit small, but in the same time, I like the functionality, the fact that I can drive a lot with the 18-inch wheels, and if I'd have to upgrade to bigger wheel size, I need to change the tires. I will probably get like 2 sets of tires, because now I have the all season. So for the 19, I will probably get 2 sets, like winter and summer. So yeah, I'm a bit in doubt about changing the wheels, but what I know for sure is that with these 18-inch wheels, the range is super decent, and with 19 or even 20-inch wheels, yeah, it's gonna go lower and lower, and I don't want that. And plus, sometimes I do not pay attention. Let me show you what what I did like the past days. So check this out. That's a really nice scratch. So I was happy that this is actually a cap, not a wheel, so I can easily replace this cap. Imagine what would it be like if these were like some 19 or 20-inch real alloy wheels. Okay, maybe the damage would not be that big, because well, this is plastic and the other wheels would have been like alloy, but still it would have ruined my day for sure. All right, so I think we are done with the side department and now we will be coming in the back. So in the back, everything is stock except these two things. This is the badge, which is now matte black, and we have also the dual motor in matte black here. In the back department, we will have a diffuser, which is gonna be Maxton V2, that's for sure. I really like it. It's super aggressive, and we will also be having some side splitters. I will of course let a picture here in the video just to for you to see it, and everything will be glossy black. So as I said, everything is gonna be glossy black. Now I'm very much in doubt with this. This is the matte performance part in the back, like the wing. I'm not sure if I want to replace this one because I really like how the matte looks like, and yeah, honestly it's a bit of a hassle to replace it because it was mounted in a shop professionally, so it's gonna be quite difficult to do it. But what I want to do first, my plan is to remove this logo and put the Tesla letters here in glossy black, and also remove the dual motor part. So for simplicity, I will be removing everything, and I'm just gonna put here the Tesla letters. And now the stoplights. Well, it's a big discussion here because there are too many options on the market, but I think I made a short list of two options. So the first one is just an LED strip that will come from here all the way till the other side. I'm gonna put here an image for you to see it. And from the installation perspective, of course, this is the easiest install. And you keep the OEM taillights, of course. What I don't like about this strip is that whenever you do left or right turn, the whole strip from the middle till the edge, so from the middle till the edge, will go into sequential turning. So that's a bit too much in my opinion. Think about, you are like driving during the night and you have a whole strip turning from the center to the left in a sequential order. It's too much of a light, and I don't really like how it looks like when you are turning, when you are using the turn signal. The pro is, of course, that it's a bit cheaper than the other version. And now we will move to version 2, which is replacing basically the whole block of taillights, also with a strip. But again, this comes with the whole package, and the new tail lights will be smoked, and also they will have dynamic turns. So the dynamic turns means that when you will do left or right or the stoplights, the turn will, let's say, light one by one from the center to the edge. And the most important thing is that the strip, which is gonna be more or less the same than the one that I've told you before, but it's gonna be smoked color, will stay on all the time. So when you are turning the lights to left and right, the strip will not do a dynamic effect, which I like a lot. So it's gonna be sort of a daylight situation with the strip. Yeah, and in the pictures, I think the pictures are quite clear, and I believe that this is, I mean, I incline to this option. The mounting is more difficult because you need to remove also this. Of course, you will have to remove the inner part of the trunk and everything, so it's gonna be a bit of a hassle with the mounting, but I've talked with some people that have it, and they're quite happy with it. So yeah, I think it's gonna be fine. The only part that you need to be careful with is when you are unmounting the screws from this one. Make sure that you don't lose the screws inside, because it's quite a hassle to pick them up afterward. So yeah, let me know in the comments, because you now know both options also for the back. So let me know in the comments what you think. Should I go for option number 1, which is only the LED strip, or should I go for option number 2, which is the smoked tail lights, also the smoked LED, but again without a dynamic effect on the center LED, but only on the tail lights. All right, thanks everyone for watching. I'm really looking forward to hearing your opinions in the comment section down below. So I'm quite in doubt to what I'm gonna do for the front. What options should I choose? Also for the back, for the taillights, for sure. Yeah, I'm really curious to see what do you think about these mods. And of course, if you have any other suggestions, if you have any other mods that you have on your Tesla, let me know in the comments down below, and I might consider them. If you want to order some Tesla accessories, feel free to visit flyer.com website or our coche.com website, and with the code LifeWithBack you will have 20% discounts on all the accessories on their website. Stay tuned, a new video is coming soon. I'm super excited for what's next. See you in my next video.